Hello, Tiang.
Hello.
How are you today?
I'm fine, and you?
I'm good, thank you. Are you ready for your speaking test?
Yes.
Alright, so I think you're going to tell me about yourself.
My name is thuỳ. I'm in 8th grade. So my hobbies are walking dog and swimming.
Oh, that's amazing. You should teach me how to swim. I remember I told you I don't know how to swim.
Really?
Yeah, but anyways, so let's get started. We're going to be talking about viruses, and I would like you to tell me what is it that you know about these viruses?
The viruses are small, so we need to use the microscope to see them.
Right. Is there anything else we can say about the viruses?
The viruses can get into our body by touching nose or mouth and through open wounds.
That's correct. Let's take a look at the next one, and here we're going to be talking about this specific virus by the name influenza. So, what do you know about it?
Influenza virus is also called the flu, the infection of nose, throat, and lungs.
Right.
So the symptoms of influenza comprise of headache, stuffy nose, or cough.
That's correct. And what should we do if we want to protect ourselves from getting the virus?
We can protect ourselves from this virus by washing our hands often and covering mouth or nose when we sneeze or cough.
That's right. So let's talk about fighting viruses. I think you already told me one way to fight viruses. We can wash our hands, but I think you can tell me more ways that we can, use to fight viruses.
Our bodies provide antibodies against the bad bacteria
Right.
and viruses. So that's all.
I think the skin also plays.
The skin protect our body from these viruses by not letting them go into our blood.
That's right. And I also wanted you to tell me about the stomach acid. I think it's also one way that protect our bodies. Do you know what they do? Oh, I think they destroy the viruses. Yeah, so let's take a look at the respiratory system, and I would like you to tell me what part is in picture one.
This nose.
Right, how about the second one?
The trachea.
And the third one?
The lung.
How about the last one?
And the diaphragm.
Correct. And then we've got the circulatory system. Tell me about number one, please.
This is the vein.
Second?
The artery.
And the third?
The heart.
How about the fourth?
And the capillaries.
That's correct. And moving forward, I would like you to tell me about the respiratory and circulatory system. So how do they work together, starting from the nose?
So the when we breathe in, the diaphragm helps our lungs to get bigger and goes through into our nose and mouth,
Right.
and go through the trachea and get into the lungs.
So how about the circulatory system? I think we get some oxygen in our blood, right? So how does it get to our blood?
Should have the last question.
Right. Oh, should be the last question? Super noisy. All right. Yeah. Let's take a look at Are you sure it should be the last question? Yeah, I also think that because we're supposed to be talking about the two of them working together. So after we breathe in the oxygen, it also goes in our blood, right? So I think it goes to the vein, which goes into the arteries and then back to the heart.
The vein carry blood and carbon dioxide back to the heart.
That's right. And the next one, we're going to be talking about living a healthy life. You look so healthy. At first, I thought you're Moro because you look so fit. Yes, you look beautiful. And I would like you to tell me, so how do you keep yourself looking this fit and beautiful?
I doing exercise every day,
Yeah.
so I can keep my body in fit.
What's your favorite exercise to do?
I actually go swimming every day.
Girl, you like swimming. You better teach me how to swim. Okay, any other ways that we can, make our life better by living a healthy life? So exercises, anything else?
We also do sports. I really like to play badminton.
Yeah, it's cool. Also, I think we should also try to get some enough sleep, right? Drink a lot of water for your skin to be healthy and clean. Yeah, and that's gonna be it to end. It's gonna be the end of your speaking test. How was it? Easy?
Yeah.
Okay, so you can say goodbye to the camera. You did it. Good job.